Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will talk about Gini index. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is the formula. So I will put this one goal here. So the negative will change the sign of this one. So this one minus 1 over 2, that is about 1 over 2x. The integration of x, that is about s squared over number 2. The integration of this one, that is about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here and number 0 gone here. And now we need to simplify this one, that is about number 4. This one, that is about 1 over 2 of n plus 1. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.